Hello and welcome to Gladys Cake Kitchen. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make this super moist chocolate cupcake topped with brown sugar French buttercream and a drizzle of caramel sauce. This super moist chocolate cupcake recipe is rich in flavor and has a decadent mouthfeel. If you're a chocolate lover, this chocolate cupcake will definitely be right up your street. And if you watch till the end, you will see how I finish off this deliciously luscious cupcake. So without having to waste your time, let's get baking. Start the baking process by measuring and organizing all ingredients needed. Ingredients list and detailed notes for this particular recipe is found in the description box below, so do check it out. Now proceed to line a cupcake pan with cupcake liners and set aside. In a stand mixer, add margarine, sugar and vanilla and set to cream until light and fluffy. I am using a combination of brown sugar and caster sugar in this recipe, as brown sugar adds extra flavor and texture to this chocolate cupcake. With a spatula, scrape the sides of the mixing bowl and observe the creamed mixture is light and pale in color. Begin to add the eggs one at a time, mixing in slowly after each addition. When the eggs are all mixed in, add the flour and cocoa powder, mix a bit at a time, alternating with sour cream or milk. Stop the mixer after the last batch of flour is added and remove the mixing bowl from the stand mixer. I am finishing the mixing process by hand using a spatula to fold in the batter to prevent overmixing. It also allows me to scrape the sides of the bowl to ensure my batter is evenly mixed together. I am also adding a drop of hot coffee, which also has some cider vinegar in it. The coffee will intensify the chocolate flavor, and the cider vinegar and acid in reaction to other leavening agents will help with rise. Mixing complete, scoop the batter into pre-lined cupcake tins and leave to bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees for 20 to 22 minutes. Bring back and allow time to cool before decoration begins. After allowing to cool, I have cored the center of these cupcakes and filled the middle with some salted caramel sauce. A topping of brown sugar French buttercream is added. A detailed tutorial on this buttercream is linked up here in the cards or in the description box below. A drizzle of more caramel is added to complete this luscious looking and insanely delicious decadent cupcake. But don't take my word for it. Try this out yourself or a few of my other recipes linked above here or in the description box below. Thanks for watching.